Hello guys, welcome to Code with Wiki. I am Vikran Kulkarni. Welcome back you to my YouTube channel. So as you can see into the last tutorial, we have converted the HTML and the CSS template that you can see in front of you into the WordPress theme. And here I have added the HTML and the CSS, the header, the footer, and the HTML and the CSS files, and link the HTML and the CSS file to the this our HTML theme into the WordPress. So now in this video we are going to include the we are going to add JavaScript file. So into the similar way, javascript file are also can be added into the similar way by using the WordPress hook or action hook. So how do you can do that? Let me tell you that first. So here you can see that into our template file, into our footer.php, into the script tag there is the path like this, like JavaScript path is like this jQuery, and this is the bootstrap path, and this is another bootstrap path, and this is the custom js file. Here you can see the in front of you. So just go to the function.php page, and here as we have created the load style sheet function, into the similar way you have to create another function which is include custom js. Function name you can add any function name here. So function include custom js, and using wp-enqueue script, which is the WordPress hook. Using that hook you are going to you are going to enqueue the JavaScript file to your theme. So here the first parameter is the name of that file. So let me name it as jQuery, and let me copy the path from here. jQuery file is there, asset vendors, it's jQuery, and jQuery 3.4.1. Just I am copying this and go to the function.php and paste it here. The first one I have concatenate the get template directory URI here. So this is for the, in this way we have included the jQuery here. So into the similar way we have to include the bootstrap bundle.js and bootstrap affix.js, and this one stellar.js. So into the similar way I just copy and paste here. So okay, so I just copy this path of the bootstrap.bundle.js, come to here and paste it here, and change the name which is the bootstrap bundle, you can say it as another one bootstrap affix.js. So go to the function.php, and into the similar way you are going to do with the main JavaScript file stellar.js. You can give any name to this. The name is of your choice, you can say. And after that, after using the wp-enqueue script, you have to call the action hook. So add underscore by using the method which is the add underscore action, and into that underscore enqueue underscore scripts is the WordPress hook, WordPress built-in hook, which you are going to uh, call which you are going to call in this way, in this code. And second parameter is the name of the function, which is include custom JS. So in this way you can enqueue the JavaScript file also to your theme folder, to your theme, into the WordPress. So into the footer.php, now you don't need to write these scripts like this, because you already did it into the function.php file. Okay, in this way you can enqueue the JavaScript file also. So let me show you, let me confirm that whether it's going to be added or not. I am just copying this URL of our website, and into the incognito tab I just paste it here. And to check that, I just go to the control plus U to view source, and at the bottom, or yes, I can see that into the script tag you closed wiki.com wp includes. Yes, this is the jQuery, this is the bootstrap bundle, and this is the bootstrap effects, and this is the tailor.js. Yes, and here you can see this is the tailor.js. So in this way we have successfully enqueued the JavaScript file also to our website. So as I said into the last tutorial, so we are going to I'm going to introduce you about the uh, one of the most popular plugin named as contact form 7, so which we are going to use to send the mails from this website. So let me go to the dashboard, and here into the plugins, go to the install plugin, and here you have to click on the add new plugin, and just search for the contact form 7. And here you can see that this is the contact form 7, and click on install. So it get installing. Contact form 7 is a very popular plugin which you can use to send the mail from the WordPress website. So to create the form, I'm sorry, not sending the mail, to create the form, different kind of the forms you can create by making use of the contact form 7. There are the similar plugin also, like WP forms, which works as a which is also used to create forms into the WordPress. So here you can see that it get installed, and let me install one another plugin which we need, which is WP mail setup. So which this plugin is going to be set up, going to be going to be installed just because of to sending the mail from the localhost, or to sending the mail we can use the WP mail set SMTP uh, plugin, WP mail SMTP. So here you can see that just click on install. So here you can see that I installed it now. So let me go to the plugins, and let me activate the contact form 7 and WP mail SMTP setup. So just go to here, just activate the contact form 7 and activate the WP mail SMTP. Just go back to the dashboard. Okay, now go to your code, and into the front page you can see that when you search contact, you can see the contact section here. So here you can see that here you can see this form where action needs nothing. This is the contact form where admin can get an email. So we are going to replace this form by using the with the contact form 7 form, and configure it like UI like this, that provided. So let me go to this dashboard, and let me, so into the left hand side you can see there is a contact icon, and click on that and click on the contact forms. So here you can see that here is the default contact form is already created, but now we are going to create another one. So let according to our theme. So here you can see that into our theme there is a email, password and message. Actually that not needed, we have needed just an email, their mobile number maybe, or their name, their um, email and their message. So we will be doing like that, and when click on the send message, the message will be, email will be sent. So for example, so how to add it into the contact form 7, let me show you that. So here you have to just click on the add new, just give named it as contact form 1, and into that here you can see that uh, these are the components of these are the components: text, email, url, tel, number. These are the HTML components that you can add in your contact form. So here for example here there is a sample is there. So but now let me delete all this, and let me show you how do you exactly you can add the things into the contact form 7. So now if I need the email name field, text field for the name, so I am just clicking on that text, and field type, yes, it is a required field. I want to give the name is as name. There is no default value, and there is the class attribute. As you can see into the template, there is a class named form control to there, which is the bootstrap class, form control to the input field. So that's why I am just writing here form control, so that this class is going to be added. Sorry, here class attribute, and click on insert tag. So here you can see that our email text, our name text field is going to be added here. So I just save this, and let me show you how do you can echo this form. So just go to the contact and just copy this short code. Oh, okay, maybe name has been same. Let me change the name of this contact form to copy this short code, and instead of this form we are going to echoing that short code here. So to echo the short code, we are having a method which is do short code, which is the default method of the WordPress. So let me tell you about this do short code method. I am just copying it and pasting it onto the Google. So here you can see that this is the built-in WordPress function to paste the short code, contact form 7 short code into the web page. So Yes, I have just do that. And let me see the output, what exactly it looks like. We have just added the one text field here and just paste it into the contact form. So I just refresh the page, and you can see that at the bottom. Yes, you can see that at the bottom there is field is going to be added. This is the input field that you can see. This is the name input field which added. So as I edit this form again, and now I just want email field, so I am just click on that email which is required field. I am giving name it as email, and the class as a form control, and just insert tag. And after that I need a text area to insert a message, so I am taking the text area, give the name it as a message, and of course a class attribute is a form control. And after that I need a one submit button, so I just click on that submit, give the label to that button as send, and class attribute as let me see what was there. Just control Z. Yes, there was btn primary. I need to just copy these classes which are already there to the button, and added it to the class attribute. Click on the insert button, and yes, our contact form is ready. So when I save the button, when I click on the save button, and here just refresh the page, you can see this, the name field, the email field, and the message field is going to be appear here in front of you. So let me add the placeholder here. So how do you can add the placeholder? Let me see. So you have to just write placeholder into this field, into this bracket, and give the name of the placeholder, label of the placeholder, which is the name. Let me write as a your name here, and into the similar way you have to add into the email field also. I am just copying this, just go to here, paste it here, and into the text area also, your name, your email, and your message. So here you can see that I just added this. When I click on the save button and refresh the page, you can see the placeholder also get added here. So I think there is also one error, one configuration error detected. Let me see. Go to the mail. Yes, here you can see that you can here it says you can edit this mail template here. Okay, so yes, reply to your email. So there is a here you can see that these are the variables which we have created, that is the name, email, and message. So this is the this is the problem into the variables. So this is the reply to your email, which is the default WordPress variable, but that variable is changed here, which named is email. So we use this variable here. Just I just copy this email named variable, copy, and I just write it into the here. Okay, that error has been gone. uh, this is the email template that you can see, to which is the site admin email को message जाएगा. uh, this is from admin email. So site title, and there is admin email. There is a subject which you want to add, that you can add here. Subject means contact message. You can add any subject here. Reply to email, yes, from subject. Let me write it as a contact email, and message body. Into the message body I have to print this message, which is the message variable which we have created. So I just paste that message variable here. And okay, I think everything is fine. We have configured our contact form 7 properly, so I just save this. So now we have just configured the contact form 7 and added the short code into the web page. But when I write something here and click on the send button, nothing will happen because mail is not going to be sent. So it's saying that there is a error while sending the message because we haven't set up our email. Okay, so to set up our email account, so you have to go, or you have to make use of the WP Mail SMTP plugin which we have installed. So how do you can send the mail by make use of this plugin from locally from your machine? So that we are going to learn into the next tutorial. So I think this video will going to be so long. By I will if I explain that. So let me stop here, and let me conclude what we have learned in this tutorial. So in this tutorial we have learned, first of all, we have learned about how we can enqueue the custom JS files whatever which we are having by using the WordPress hook into the function.php. And another thing is we have successfully configured contact form 7 into our web page. So that's it about today's tutorial. So let's meet into the next video, and into the next video I will be going to tell you about SNWP Mail SMTP plugin in detail. So thank you.